video. Today we are doing number math. We have to match the numbers and colors. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look like a pattern. 3. So can I do to 3? That'll be fine.
Yes, absolutely.
3.
Good job.
3 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. I already did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I got a light. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my fingers. So which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. 7, 8. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Bye bye. Bye 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 bye. See you next time. Like and